attention. I'ma need you to face front. You don't want smoke with me, this is a lace blunt. Raps Jackie Chan, we ain't pulling them fake stunts. My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace front.
Today, you guys, we have an unboxing, and we have an unboxing of the Beauty LED light. So this light is perfect for YouTubers that want to record off their phone, or if you're just doing your makeup and you want a light that you can sit on your vanity. So this light is perfect for that. So this came from Amazon, you guys. So it was Amazon Prime. So I did receive this light in 2 days. So it came in an Amazon box. And then inside the Amazon box was this box. So this is how it comes, you guys. Comes in this brown box. So this is what it looked like. And then we open it up here. And we're going to put this bad boy together, you guys. And we're going to test this light together. So, you guys, this light was $30-something off of Amazon. So, when you open it up, it does... I'm dropping something. It comes like this. And I did get it in the color pink, you guys. So, we're going to put it together. You do everything I do comes with the different pieces. So this is the base. And then the piece that I dropped was this piece, which I'm pretty sure you screw this in like so. And you put that together like that. And then this part here, guys, is very bendable. And then it comes with the light part. And this is the light. This is what the light looks like. And as you can see, you guys, this is perfect for when you're doing your makeup. It's small enough for you to do your makeup. So we're going to put this, screw this on. This is how it looks, you guys. So you see, this is perfect to sit on your vanity. And it's pink. It's so pretty. And it's a horse. It's a slide. It did come with this piece. So this is what the piece look like, you guys. And you can put it on, put your phone in there, and you can turn it whichever way. Either you want it that way, you could turn it that way like that. And then it does come with a horseshoe piece that slides in it, and you screw this on top. I'm going to open it and show you all. So you just screw that on top like that. And then that's the horseshoe. And you slide that right inside the camera, which I will show you. So you just... Wait a minute, you have to screw this. Okay. So you just slide that right inside there. Just like that, you guys. So you just slide it right there, and your phone will be here with the light. And then it does come with the USB cable so that you can plug the light up. Alright, so it is plugged up, as you can see. And the light is off. Then you turn it on. And as you can see, that light is like bright. That is bright. As you can see, that light is absolutely perfect. Look at that. And so this is the brightest. This is like the white light. And then it's another knob. It's two knobs here. So this knob will turn it into a yellowish tone. As you can see, that's a yellow tone. So that knob does that. Or you can have it on this white light, and then you can turn it down off. So that's off, and then that is all the way bright. Which, as you can see, this is perfect. This is perfect, you guys. This is absolutely perfect when you're doing your makeup, and you could just sit this on your vanity. It's that small to just put it on your vanity and do your makeup. Or you can record your videos off of this, makeup videos, whatever, because your phone sits right here. So I absolutely love the light. I absolutely love it. Like I'm recording with my ring light right here, but I'm recording off the camera as well. So if I was recording off my cell phone, it's actually smaller. You don't have to worry about your big camera, as well as another ring light and another light. So you can cut out some of your lights if you want to record off your phone, which I feel is absolutely perfect, you guys. And for $30-something, that's a steal. I paid way more for my actual ring light. I paid way more for it. So guys, I will leave the link to this light in the description box, you guys. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what is you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button in that bottom bar. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. And this hair that I dyed ash blonde, you guys, I did this and I'm absolutely loving this color that I came up with. It's like an ash blonde. This is my body wave texture. So this is my raw Cambodian body wave texture. I just dyed it, and I have on a 5x5 lace closure, you guys. And what I'm rocking on my lips, this is just a lip gloss from the Crayon Cosmetics. So this is just a lippy from the Crayon Cosmetics, you guys. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you have any comments regarding the light, just leave me a comment and I'll answer it. But in conclusion, I feel like 2 days, you get it in 2 days, so that's perfect. As well as $30-something for the light is an absolutely steal. I will leave the link to this light in the description box, and I will see you all in the next video. I will talk to you all in my next video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next